Okay, this is a brief update regarding the newer style ZSS that I've created here. I'll probably call this maybe the SE or Signature Edition, um, since I've been getting requests to sign these, so I've got a special marker for that. This is pretty much about the final version of the smaller ZSS with the 3D printed case that I've been working on. So you can see it's pretty compact. The reason for making it compact like this was, one, because I could, and the other was because I wanted to be able to fit it into more locations, like right in here. So it's actually not required to shove it in here, but this is where you have like other computer stuff located. So it's small enough to put in here, and then I'll be using a much longer cable, and this cable will allow it to run down to where the it'll go down through there to where the EPS is, and that way if you ever have to do an update through like the USB, so I've got the USB there for the updates if we ever want to do that, but I don't think that'll be something that you have to do very often, or at all, really. And that's pretty much it. I don't know if I'm going to make a video to actually show what's involved with installing it. From this location, it's pretty straightforward if you've seen my other videos. But anyway, you can see this is pretty cool. I'm printing another case now that's a little bit darker than this, trying to figure out exactly how I want it to look. But this is pretty much the final version of the case for now, and I'm pretty happy about it. Thanks.